Hey, this is the Producer Schooll and I'm Aaron from the Producer Hub. Today I have a video for you about the popular style future pop. This song is made by Jerry, one of our team members at the Producer Hub. You can download this FLP for free on our website at producerhub.com. Here is a preview of what you will get, and after that I will break it down. This project is quite complex, so I can't show everything, but again you can download this FLP for free. I also rendered out some of the instruments like the guitar and the plugs to save some CPU. This is the first note of the chord progression, and we reversed it. This is the chord progression we used throughout the song. Here are the notes of the bass line we used. This is the build-up of the song. It's quite basic, but it does the job. We used an automation with a low-pass filter on the kick. These are the plugs we used. We rendered them out to save up some CPU. We did the same with the guitar. If you want to know how we did the guitar, leave a comment in the comments and we will show you how to do it. These are the drums. It sounds like a semantics loop, but these are custom made by Jerry.
Hey, I'm Jerry, this was the video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below and I will answer your questions. And don't forget to download the FLP, it's free, and have a nice day.